Alrighty, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we have Estrella here. It's gonna be a little bit of assistant today. So we're gonna go ahead and completely change the looks with some Dynamics lights. So as you guys can go ahead and see, I'm not gonna pull them out right now, but they're the side marker lights, and it's gonna completely change up the look of the front and then also the rear end. So I don't know if you guys actually remember, if you guys actually been part of the channel for a while, then you will. Jordan 2 Valve is actually installing his side marker, so he's getting the same blacked out ones. I don't know if it's the same company or not, but basically regardless, blacked out ones. So we're gonna go ahead and try to install ours before he does his, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over and check on his progress, and we'll see what happens other than that today.
All right guys, so the Shelby is lowered on BMR drag springs, and there wasn't really enough fitment without it just getting in the way. So I just went down here, and it's a lot easier to go ahead and just use the impact driver and basically just remove this one out of the way. It's the same 7mm bolts, or you can go ahead and just use the 932 like I did, since I don't have the 7 like I said. But it makes it a lot easier now. I can just go ahead and get to both of them very easily. And I'll just go ahead and show you guys real quick how easy it is to get to them from here. So again, we remove this whole slash guard right here. So literally, boom, right here. That's one side. And then it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but then you can see the other side right there. So both sides, once you remove this, you can get to both of them. So it's gonna be 210 deep sockets to get these little guys right here off. And then that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and see if it's gonna be a direct plug-in. So I went ahead and actually just twisted this off. So you actually do need this little piece right here. So you twist this off, you take out the basic bulb that it comes with. Just go ahead and put these in this box. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this guy out and basically plug this in. And it's like all these little T10s, I believe. I'm not too sure, don't quote me on that. But basically, if they don't turn on the first time, then you just go ahead and always just twist it around. So there you go, and basically you're supposed to just slide this back inside, try to get those wires tucked in first, and then like that. Easy money. So this side, basically, we haven't turned them on yet. We're gonna go ahead and turn them on right now and make sure that one turns on, but kind of just go ahead and get the side-by-side action. And honestly, it just makes the entire front end just look different. Honestly, it's amazing what one little part can do. Basically, you're gonna go ahead and just click the unlock button, just a quick test. There it is, baby. Looks way better than just a bulb over here. Ugly looking lights. Now, this is a 2011 Shelby GT500, so if you guys don't know that, but anyways, the 1314s, Mustangs, they have a daytime running light, so when those are on right there, and then you're gonna get those, so basically it's gonna look way better. But we'll switch those headlights later down the road because those are super expensive. So this is where I'm gonna go ahead and stop right now. It looked way better, but we just came up on a good deal right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive 40-50 minutes to try to go get this deal done before they change their mind. So it's another day here. We're pretty much picking it up, and this one was a little bit difficult, basically by myself right now, so I can't really record it. But all you gotta do is come in from the back and kind of take the tool in and push forward, and it'll kind of pop out this corner. And then at that point, you can go ahead and just slide it out. So you can go ahead and see how it kind of comes in and out. But that's basically it for this one, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one back here. And there we have it. So same thing before we actually put it in. Let me go ahead and just do one quick test, just clicking the unlock button, and I can already see kind of lighting up. Way cleaner, fresher, and just overall way better quality. So definitely gonna go ahead and put this back in. And again, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a comparison. So obviously that's the done one, and then we go back on this side, and that's how it is beforehand. So actually it doesn't look too bad because it matches the red lining over here on the taillights, and then also the red up on the stickers from VA Performance. But I do like the blacked out a little bit better, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and go with. Again, trying to get this out one-handed was pretty difficult, so we went ahead and popped it out a little bit. That way we could just kind of wiggle it out. There you go. And same thing, just gonna go ahead and replace that. So there's Jordan. Dude, those things are bright. So there goes Jordan 2 Valve over here. You go ahead and see the side marker light. That thing is bright. Dude, you see how bright it was? Dude, that thing was freaking bright.
Oh, yours bright?
Check it real quick. Yeah, mine are pretty bright, but not as bright as his were. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually park the Shelby away right now. But I want to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of rundowns. So I went ahead and talked to Jordan, and he said his were about 40 bucks for both of them. And obviously he doesn't have the front one, so it was just the two back ones. And basically mine were about 180 from Diode Dynamics. And yeah, I guess honestly you get what you pay for. He had a wire tap a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't anything too crazy. These were just plug and play. And again, I got 4 of them, so I guess technically, like, if you want to really do it, I pretty much paid $40 per light if you actually do the math for it. Honestly, at that point, you can go ahead and decide what's best for your scenario. Again, these were just plug and play, and it made it really, really simple, and they just came out looking beautiful. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end it. Again, parking the Shelby way. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.